The fallout from last week's Caerphilly by-election continues, a result that's being described as one of the most dramatic political shifts in Wales in recent years. Plaid Cymru took the seat with nearly 16,000 votes, ending Labour's 25-year hold on the constituency. The party's candidate, Lindsay Whittle, secured almost half of the vote, marking a swing of 27% from Labour and a decisive majority of more than 3,800. It's a result that polling expert Sir John Curtis says leaves Plaid well placed to provide Wales with its next First Minister, and one that sent shockwaves through both the Labour Party and Westminster. Labour's Cabinet Office Minister Nick Thomas-Symonds admitted that defeat was disappointing and said Labour faces a very tough fight in the run-up to the Senedd elections next May. He said the result reflected a fractured political landscape across the UK and insisted the party would now redouble its efforts to regain voters' trust. Plaid Cymru's leader, Srinap Iorwerth, called the victory a sign that people are ready for new leadership, saying the results showed Plaid is now the real choice for Wales and able to challenge both Labour and Reform UK. Meanwhile, Reform's candidate, Leo Powell, who finished second with more than 12,000 votes, described the outcome as a breakthrough moment for his party. Reform had secured only 495 votes in Caerphilly 4 years ago, and while they fell short of victory this time, the result underlines their growing support in Wales. The by-election comes at a sensitive time for Welsh Labour. The loss of a seat it had held since the Sened's creation in 1999 leaves the government in an even weaker position ahead of the next budget vote. But with Plaid on the rise and Reform capitalising on national discontent, the political map in Wales is shifting, and the road to next May's Senedd election looks even more uncertain than ever. James Peach Watkins, reporting for Local TV.